Hey guys, in today's video we're reviewing the WholeFruit watermelon popsicles. These are what they look like, the different fruit flavored popsicles. I got watermelon. I like watermelon. It's nice. It's the summertime. I like watermelon. So they're supposed to be healthy for you. Look, 100 calories, non-GMO. And they're made with real fruit. So here's the ingredients. Stuff you trusted. It's $4 to change for 6 of them. We got them at ShopRite. So this is what it looks like. It's like a pink bar, pink colored popsicle. It's a popsicle. This is what it looks like. It smells like watermelon. It smells like watermelon. This is good for when it's, this is perfect for this time of year, by the way. This is very good for the summertime. When you have barbecues and stuff, you feel like a nice popsicle or ice cream afterwards. This is the right stuff. You got it. Anyway, now I'm going to taste that. This tastes exactly like the Italian ices, the watermelon Italian ices you might find in the store. They taste really good, just like them. It tastes just like the Luigi's Italian ices. Like there's different flavors. It tastes just like the watermelon ices. It's good. I like it. I give it an 8.5 out of 10. It's very good. Anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on notifications. See you next video. Bye.